Hello, welcome to Trees Crafts and More. My name is Teresa, and today we're going to be making key lime desserts. So let's get started. So in a food processor, I'm going to put 12 graham crackers, 12 whole graham crackers. We're going to add in 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. All right. Okay, and as I process the crackers, I'm going to pour the melted butter in. I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter. It's salted. Sorry about that. I had my hand over the food processor, so you couldn't see what I was doing. I put my crumbs in a bowl, and I'm going to set this aside and get another bowl. Okay, to the bowl we're going to add a half a cup of ricotta, and it's part skim milk ricotta. One 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's been softened. One 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Half a cup of lemon juice. That's lime juice, not lemon juice. Half a cup of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of lime zest. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead to that. I've got it all mixed up. I'm going to add an 8-ounce container of whipped topping, frozen whipped topping that I have thawed. We're just going to fold this in. Right. Next, we're going to layer it into dessert dishes. And we're going to do some graham crackers. At the bottom. And then some of the cream mixture. This should make about 4. I guess it depends on the size of your containers that you're putting it in, your dishes. I'm going to do another layer of the graham cracker mixture. Another layer of the creamed mixture. And there you have the desserts. I topped them off with some whipped cream and a little bit of lime zest on the top. I hope you liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.